Hi, my name is Natalie Bruno, and today I'll be presenting my Google Travel redesign. So, after I completed the heuristic review, interviewing users, creating personas, and user journeys regarding the platform Google Travel, I gained a high level of insight on what could be improved to make the user experience of the platform more enjoyable. I focused on 3 interviews: one who was newer to traveling by herself and had no prior experience with the platform, one who had a lot of experience with the platform and enjoyed it more than other platforms, and one who used the platform to book a multi city trip and ran into a lot of issues. And after receiving their feedback, it became apparent that everyone had vastly different experiences but also had similar issues with the website. So, the main thing that they believe would have made their experience a little bit better were an option to use a budget and plan their trip using said budget, a better customer service and help center, and a clearer option for multi city traveling with more options. I believe that the platform has a very user friendly aesthetic and it's not super crowded or overwhelming, so I wanted to keep the minimalistic design and decided that these would be the best to redesign while keeping that design that they already have. So, how I redesigned based on my interview's responses, I first began with the homepage and added in a FAQ page at the top where users can actually click on it and find help for their issues based on prior issues from different users of the web page. I also added a button on the bottom left corner. It looks like a chat bubble where the user can click on it and get real-time help from a customer service representative via chat. I also thought about adding in like a phone number in the FAQ page. That would be helpful. Next, I added a page for budget planning where users can find options based on their budgets for flights, hotels, attractions, or just the overall trip. I thought that would be super helpful, especially for like teams. For those who have like specific set budget that they can't go over, I thought that would be nice for them. For aesthetic viewing, I also changed the popular destinations viewing just slightly to be a scrolling toggle so that the users can actually scroll through multiple popular destinations rather than just like a few. I think it was like 3 or 4. Next, I would add a multi city travel option to all pages. I focused on the flights page for my little pinpoints, but I added a multi city filter option where the user can actually then add flights going to multiple cities. And in case of not getting results based on certain searches, I added an example of an error message that states no options matching your search, as well as try changing cities or filter options. This way, the users can know how they can fix the error in a timely manner rather than spending time on the FAQ page or the help center chatting with someone. I also added in a carousel on this page of city images for users to see varying photos of places and get ideas for their next trip as well. So this is one of the photos that I designed. I kept most of what the web page already had, but up top you can see where I added the FAQ page up here, and then on the bottom where I added the little help button. This is where I added the budget planner. That way they can actually go straight to that budget and input that first. And then I also here added that scrolling options, the scrolling options so that they can just scroll based on how many they want to see or if they wanted to see more than what was previously given to them. And then on this page, this is the flights page, so you can see here that it's clicked. Up here, I added a multi-city filter, so they can choose this. They can choose who's going with them, where on the plane they want to sit, whether that's first class, economy, business. Disregard the locations, that's just what my site chose. I added a button here, so that way they can even just add flights here. And they can also add dates that they want to choose from. And then I added an add flight button here, just in case they want to come back or they want to go to a different city after that. And then down here, I added the no options matching your search and how to fix that. That's just the error message that they could get. And then I added this carousel of city images as well. Thank you.